Bitcoin 90K level must hold. This is the 4-hour chart of Bitcoin. If you're going to notice sa TIPI trading system natin, yung green box na yan, that was the resistance that was broken and now gustong i-retest. So, kailangan itong area na to, pagka tinamaan natin, talbugan natin yan at wag natin tagusin para yung mga bulls ay buhay pa rin. Right? So ngayon po, based on our TIPI trading system, sa BTD setup natin, 4-hour time frame to, meron ka ng dalawang buy signal. Alin po yan? Yung green cloud and green dot. So what we want to see, isa na lang, is a long green candle that will overpower these previous red candles. So probably we want the price to go beyond 91,400 and close above it. All right? For it to remain bullish. All right? Otherwise, okay, kailangan mag-hold itong 90K. Pag hindi nag-hold yung 90K, look at this. Pupunta ako sa one-day time frame. Sa one-day time frame natin, sa bigger picture natin, makikita nyo po no, na meron tayong resistance dyan sa 94.5. We got rejected. Pero nung second day natin, may rejection pa rin. Yun nga lang, kinlose tayo sa taas, hinugot tayo. On the third day, tinuluan niya na tayo. Ito naman, based on our TIPI trading system, is an SOR or a sell on rally setup. Kabaliktaran ng buy the dip setup. Alright? Ito, complete na siya. Tatlo na yung tatlong signal. Red cloud, red dot, and red candle na in-overpower yung previous green candle. So ito, yung sell signal niya, yung sell call ni TIPI sa daily, completed to. Alright? Sa 4-hour, yung buy call niya, may kulang pa na isa.